Good morning students. Today's topic is application of derivative, and under this topic we will see equation of tangent, equation of normal, concept of subtangent, concept of subnormal, etc. So now see, I will start with this curve. To see the diagram here, I have just considered a general curve and the point P at this curve. Now I have drawn here this tangent and this is the normal, and altitudes is drawn from this P point to this x-axis. So it is basically x-axis, you know, and it is a y-axis. So suppose if you would like to find equation of tangent. So first I would like to write down here equation of line passing through one point. x1, y1 with slope m. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. You have already seen in 11th lectures y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Now this m is basically dy by dx. What do you mean by this m? M is basically slope of tangent, and dy by dx at x1 y1 is the derivative of this curve at x1 y1 point. Derivative of this curve at x1 y1. We have already seen in previous lectures the derivative of this curve is equal to slope of tangent. So I would like to put this dy by dx in place of this. Then you will write down here y minus y1. Now equation of tangent at P point y minus y1 dy by dx x dy by dx at x1 y1 point. इसको बोलते हैं at x1 y1 point and x minus x1. Now see, as far as equation of normal is concerned, you know it, normal is perpendicular to this tangent. You may apply the formula m1 m2 minus 1. Then slope of normal would be suppose m dy by dx x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 because these lines are perpendicular. Then slope of m is basically m dash ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पर m लिया है तो मैं इसका स्लोप m dash ले लेता हूँ. तो m dash यहाँ पर आपका आया, तो m dash is basically minus 1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1. Now see, equation of normal to point P x1 y1. You will write down y minus y1 minus 1 upon dy by dx x1 y1 x minus x1. So in this way we have seen here equation of tangent, equation of normal to this curve. Now see, if you are interested in concept of subtangent and concept of subnormal, then see what is subtangent. Subtangent is basically projection of intercepted part of tangent between curve and x-axis, comma on x-axis. You may say here length of tangent is, according to this definition, you may say length of tangent is nothing but it is a Tm. Now see how to find the length of subtangent with the help of this diagram. Now see, you may consider triangle PTM. According to diagram, you may write down PM by TM, PM by TM, and that is nothing but it is a tan psi. Tan psi is nothing but is a dy by dx. We have already seen here. It is a slope of tangent, or you may say it is a derivative of this curve at this P point. P point, that means you will put here x1, y1. So you have to find the value of dy by dx at x1, y1. Now see, we have to find the value of Tm here. Value of Tm आपका कितना आ जाएगा students? Value of Tm would be Pm upon dy by dx. और dy by dx किस पे? x1, y1 point. So you may write down, say, look, Pm is nothing but it is a y1 according to this diagram. You will write down y1 upon dy by dx, x1, y1. Now in this way we have found the length of tangent here, right? And see, as far as concept of subnormal is concerned, similar to this, similar to definition of this subtangent, you will write down definition of subnormal here like this: projection of normal, intercepted part of normal, intercepted part of normal between curve and between curve and x-axis, on x-axis. According to diagram, see students, length of subnormal is nothing but nothing but it is a mn. It is a mn. Getting my point? Now see how to find this, the length of subnormal. Again we will consider here triangle PMN. तो PMN अगर आप कंसीडर करते हैं तो साई बच्चे अगर ये एंगल है तो आपको पता है कि हमारा फिर नेक्स्ट जो एंगल यहाँ पर कंसीडरेशन है वो कितना इधर आएगा, 90 माइनस साई, और ये बच्चे कितना हो जाएगा, ये आपका साई हो जाएगा. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, सी हियर in triangle of PMN we will write down here mn upon PM, and that is nothing but it is a tan psi. Tan psi, we know that here it is nothing but it is a dy by dx at x1 y1 point. So mn is nothing but mn by बेसिकली mn बाई pm कितना अपना y1, हाँ pm y1, तो dy by dx x1 y1. So mn is nothing but, now I would like to say mn is nothing but it is a y1 dy by dx x1 y1. So look student, in this way we have found length of tangent and length of normal. In general, I would like to say, in general, you will remember these results in this way. In general, length of subtangent y upon dy by dx. I am not going to write down here y1. I am talking about in general. So y upon dy by dx. And second is length of subnormal y into dy by dx. Now see students, if you are going to correlate length of subtangent, ordinate of this point, and length of subnormal, these form basically GP, geometric progression. See, y dy by dx, it is a length of subtangent y, and हाँ वैसे एक्चुअली मैं पहले लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट लिखना चाहूंगा, नॉट लेंथ ऑफ सब नॉर्मल। और लेकिन आप इसे y से वर्षा करोगे तो भी बच्चे जीपी रहती है, ऑल ऑफ यू नो। तो y अपॉन dy बाई dx, लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट, लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट, लेंथ और ये आपका ऑर्डिनेट एंड y dy बाई dx फॉर्म जीपी, ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन। तो लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट and second is ordinate, I have already told, and this is a length of subnormal. So these basically form GP, geometric progression. In general result मैंने आपके सामने रखा। तो आज के वीडियो में स्टूडेंट्स इतना ही। इसमें मैंने आपको कंसेप्ट ऑफ सब टेंजेंट, सब नॉर्मल, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट, इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल ये आपसे डिस्कस किया। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ हाउ टू फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट टू वेरियस कर्व। ओके, थैंक यू।